put together? Immediately, yes. And the That Girl series continues. Welcome everyone to my That Girl Glow Up With Me video, getting my life together. You guys are gonna enjoy this video, and first off, before we get into the rest of the vlog, I have a haul to show you guys from Lounge Underwear. So thank you so much, Lounge Underwear, for partnering with me on this portion of the video. Also, make sure you guys subscribe down below for more content like this. I do lots of vlogs, lifestyle stuff. Literally, I do it all here. I would love for you guys to subscribe. So when talking about being that girl, also I feel like comes with how you look and how you present yourself, and what better way than feeling confident in what you're wearing. So if you guys want to check out everything that I mentioned, it'll be linked down below, as well as my discount code for you guys, which is BriannaF10, to save you guys a little bit of money. So go get yourself something cute from either their apparel collection, their sleep apparel, or even their underwear collection. Let's open it up and try it on. Well, some of the stuff. You guys, I'm so excited about this first set. This is from their sleep apparel. So this is their waffle pajama top and shorts. So this is in mink, and this is the perfect cute but comfy sleep apparel ever. I love it, and I love the little like lettuce edge. I think it adds to it and it makes it so cute, and the color just gives fall cozy vibes. And the shorts, you guys, are so cute. I love the thick waistband with their logo on it. It's like so subtle but so like chic as well at the same time. This set is so nice. I'm so excited to wear this. I also love that their packaging is recyclable, made from 100% recycled plastic. And next we have the Reborn high-waisted legging set. This is from their apparel. So it's leggings in this khaki color, which I love. I'm very into the fall tones this fall. I mean, obviously you should be, but definitely love this. Like, this honestly screams like a That Girl. Like, this is a That Girl haul. Like, this outfit I feel like I've always seen on Instagram, and I was dying to try it, and now I am. Love the quality of these. Feel really soft, and they feel like they're gonna fit so amazing and feel so good once on the body. But it just says Lounge right there. And of course, to go along with that, we have the Reborn bralette. And this does not have padding on it. Absolutely love this top. Love an athleisure apparel moment, and this is what that's giving. And I think the color is amazing. I don't have anything really this color or like a matching set like this. So freaking cute. And next, from the underwear collection, we have the So Soft t-shirt bra in this beautiful mocha color. I loved the rib detail, and I love that it says t-shirt bra. I feel like that's so unique. And this feels like it's going to be very comfortable. You guys are not going to obviously see it on. It does have the wiring, but the material here is definitely not going to be irritating my skin at all. And this is really, really cute. I love the little lounge detailing across the top. Something so like little, but honestly makes a huge difference. This is fire, and you're going to look hot. So love that. And we have a matching So Soft ribbed thong, just your basic thong, again with Lounge written all across the top. Super stretchy and really good quality. Gorgeous. And next we have the Bamboo Classic triangle bra set. I've seen this all over their Instagram, and I personally have always wanted it because it just looks like it's so comfortable. For all my girlies out there that don't like to wear with wired bras or anything like that, and you just like something like a bralette, something thin and comfortable, this is going to be it, because not only does it look really fire, actually like stunning, it just feels so good quality. So again, they do a really good job with their branding. I feel like it doesn't look tacky. It honestly makes it look really luxe, if that makes sense. And I love the thick banding on the bottom, and then I love how it kind of like scoops low back here. And another thing that is a must for me is having the adjustable straps in the back, which I appreciate because that is a must for me. It's honestly like a deal breaker. So I love that the t-shirt bra also has that. And lastly, the Bamboo triangle thong. Classic black thong. You can never go wrong with an all black set. I feel like these are the perfect two colors to have in terms of like your underwear collection. Thank you again, Lounge Underwear, for hooking me up with the best pieces. This is literally bringing my That Girl era to life this fall, and perfect for this glow up with me, because it all starts with you from within, and then also bringing it out with how you feel and what you wear to make you feel your best. So thank you so much. Everything will be linked down below, as well as my sizes, the pricing, and you can use my code BriannaF10 to save you guys some money. Let's get into the rest of this, which you guys are gonna see a hair transformation. So excited. Good morning. Today I'm getting my hair done, and I'm so freaking excited. It's been what now, like 4 months or so. Just gonna be doing a partial today, moving everything up, getting a trim probably. So I'm really excited to bring you guys along for this hair transformation. My hair is very curly. I actually want to brush it and stuff so that it's not knotty and I can just go with like just being ready kind of, because I have like such a sensitive head when it comes to like brushing it out. And yeah, today is the big day, so I'm making myself breakfast because I have to like low-key leave in like an hour. I got home very late yesterday, and so now I need to eat a good breakfast because I'm gonna be sitting there for hours and I'm gonna be hungry. I need to bring like snacks or something as well because I already know last time took me so long. We'll see how today goes because it is partial. Cheers. I just made myself my latte. I'm about to dig in. I'm starving. Also, my lips are so burnt and I don't freaking know why. I mean, it's usually the temperature change, but my lips literally are burning. When you get your hair done, I feel like you have to like look cute when you go to the salon because it's just a process of like getting your hair done that is not so cute. So at least like the rest of you looks cute. Like, you know, you have like a semi-cute outfit. I mean, I'm not gonna do like a full freaking makeup look, but my normal everyday look, just my eyebrows and mascara, and I will be good to go. You have to do it. I feel like it just makes you feel like 10 times better. I also didn't show it, but yesterday I went to Ulta and I picked up a hair oil because I've been just, you know, I used to have this and I missed it because it actually worked really well with my hair, and I have Olaplex number 6 now, and I heard those two combined are like really good, so picked this up yesterday. Outfit of the day, ready to go. Threw my hair up in a bun after I like brushed it out because it's obviously I literally look like a lion. Look how poofy. I'm blonde again. She did such a good job, you guys. I'm obsessed with it. We did a partial, like I said. I just did some like TikTok transitions so I can post those, but I'm like fully obsessed with how my hair came out. The cut, the way she curled my hair. I did like face framing, which you can't really see too much right now because it's curled, but she did face framing layers, long layers in the back. And then we went like higher this time up here rather than just focusing on like, you know, the front pieces, so that when my hair grows, these pieces aren't too harsh and like this all blends out. But she still made it very well blended because as you can see, the color's like already like right here. So it looks so good and I'm so happy. Getting your hair done fixes everything. I love it and I feel so freaking happy. It's like the little things like this makes me feel like that girl. And now it's a new day. We're also gonna be like getting our life together today because it's Sunday. It's my reset for the week type of thing. We're about to shoot content because I'm here this. Gotta get all the Instagram pictures ready for the week for my content. So I need to pull out some outfits, and this is gonna just make me feel good because now I feel, you know, good. And I'm so excited to like shoot fall outfits. Actually quite cold this morning, so I'm gonna be freezing, probably taking pictures because it's like annoying. I don't want to put on a big jacket because it's like fall. Like I want like minimal type of things, you know, but like even that's not good enough right now for this weather. So that's my beef with fall. Anybody ever want to just get ready in your bed? Now here's the aftermath, just folding them all up. I just tried them all on. I'm so cozy in my first outfit, my first look. Just changed into my next look. Alright guys, just finished look number 3. My freaking pants are all done. That's a wrap for today. Back home, but it's time to get my life together. My room is a mess. My desk area is a literal mess. Now I need to put away everything that I packed for my photos. Also my other backpack, I have stuff from like photos, and I just am a hot mess during like filming content, and it's like an every week thing where Sundays is like my reset day. It's like a whole thing. So let's let's clean, change into comfy clothes. I need to wash clothes. I need to like wash my pillowcases. So happy all my laundry is put away, you guys. My closet is an absolute disaster, but that is like a whole like day's worth project and that's not happening. So I'm about to go shower. Also, this vlog is pretty much in the course of like a couple of days of doing like, you know, the that girl things. So I'm about to shower, have like a nice shower. I'm happy that I don't have to wash my hair and my bed is ready for me. So excited to get into comfy PJs, and we're gonna be putting on my lounge sleepwear. Look at how cute I look. And I still have a little bit of work to do. It's not even that late. It's 9 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna sleep probably in like an hour. I hope so. No, I need to get my beauty rest because we're waking up early tomorrow for a workout. But I'm gonna do some editing on my computer and light a candle and just kind of relax while I do work. Let's go to sleep. My alarm is set. Just put some chapstick on and I will see you all in the morning for another day. Good morning. Starting off the day getting a little bit of work done on my computer, emails, just did my journaling. Still super cozy while I do my work on my computer.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be.
Before we go to the wax, I need to actually get gas for my lovely car, Penelope. She needs some gas, so we're gonna get some gas and then head straight to my appointment. Alright guys, back from getting my wax. I'm about to do my nails myself at home. I told people to vote on my Instagram which color I should do between. I was going for either the dark chocolate brown or like a green and chocolate brown one. So let's get these nails done. Here's the before. Looking crazy. And I'm gonna watch One Tree Hill while I do it. Nice and comforting because that's what it's about, you know, enjoyable things. The nails are done. They came out so good. I don't even know if you could pick up the chocolate brown, but I'm obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching my That Girl Glow Up with me, get my life together, get cute, feel my best. Truly makes all the difference, honestly. And yeah, I'm ready to go to sleep now and end off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Also be sure to check out Lounge underwear. Everything will be linked down below, and don't forget to use my code to shop. Love you guys all so much.